Design. We work with the customer during the product design phase to determine the best manufacturing options for the product and its components. Procurement of components and materials. We buy all of the components and materials required for the products. We make purchases from high-quality suppliers who have been approved for our system. Assembly. Circuit board configurations, mechanical assembly, varnishing. Testing and programming. Packaging and deliveries. Buffering and timings. Deliveries directly to end customers. ComProg Electronics. Electronics from design to implementation.